first time seeing one in ages.
Your favourite, that is, Arthur?
Yeah, they really are incredibly long. They used to be for like on the trains,
Give it a wave then.
can you hear that?
There you go.
That was good, wasn't it?
It was, Arthur.
Yeah.
Gave you a big toot.
That was not GWR colours.